And so for whatever reason, a lot of people will turn to marketing as kind of a last ditch effort to potentially save their company. If you think that marketing is going to solve all the problems in your business, I'm unfortunately here to tell you that that's likely not going to be the case. Marketing can solve a lot of problems in your business, but it will expose the problems that are really at the foundation that are probably causing more issues that you think that, hey, if I just get more leads, if I can grow the business and get more sales, everything else is going to work itself out. And I've worked with hundreds of businesses over the last couple of years. I own a couple of businesses myself, and I can absolutely tell you that that's not going to be the case. And so if you're in a situation where it's do or die, you're down to your last dollars and you're saying, hey, I'm going to throw this at marketing, right? And I'm hoping that marketing is going to get me so much new business that I can then go and fix my problems with hiring and firing people and recruiting, or with operations and our CRM, or with production. It's just not going to be the situation, right? It's actually going to expose those issues. So if you have a production problem, or if you're selling a product and you have issues with product or the service along with that product, and you think that, oh, I'm going to go market our stuff and we're going to be able to go sell and outsell the problems that we currently have, that's only going to make matters worse. And so for whatever reason, a lot of people will turn to marketing as kind of a last ditch effort to potentially save their company, but then to also be like, hey, I have these other problems over here, let's go sweep these under the rug, so then that way it looks like everything is fine. And that's where you end up with a situation where you do too much and you have too much business for what you can actually handle, and you start to break at the seams. So if you weren't potentially in a very bad spot before, maybe things weren't as good as you thought they could be, they eventually will get much worse if you can't handle an influx of new business and new customers and avenues that you've likely never dealt with before. So marketing, while it can absolutely help take your business to the next level, if the level you're currently at is not one of stabilization, not a solid foundation, if there's cracks all over the place, it will absolutely, at some point, it might not be short term, but potentially long term for sure, expose those other issues and put you in a worse spot before. So I'm not saying don't do marketing if you don't have all of your ducks in a row. What I'm saying is don't think that marketing is going to solve all of those other problems or be the saving grace in your business. It's not going to happen. So marketing, while it can absolutely take you to that next level, it can be that breakthrough point for your business, it's not going to save everything else. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Would love to hear your thoughts, feedback, insights, things like that on this very, very important topic. Marketing is not going to save your business if other things are the reason behind why your business is not where you want it to be. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.